Alright, welcome back. Alberto here with another trading session. We're trading Nasdaq futures on NinjaTrader 8. The market is about to open in about 3 minutes. We're pretty much trending to the upside for the overnight session, continuing the trend from yesterday. We're above VWAP, currently at the 1 deviation of VWAP. Cumulative delta is over 3,000 contracts long. So we'll see what happens at the open in a couple minutes. We had US initial jobless claims at 8:30 that pushed the market a little bit to the upside. It came worse than expected, and now we have a 10 US factory orders month over month. So we have to be paying attention to that release, either take our positions before that or after it. So let's see what happens. Market is about to open in about a couple minutes. Alright, market just opened. So right now cumulative delta is trending to the downside. Let's see if we can continue our overall trend to the upside, or if we come back to retest VWAP. A little bit skeptical of taking short entries right now, but the market might want to undo all the move to the upside from the overnight session. Market coming back into this chop area. Price moving pretty slow in my opinion. Pretty stagnant. We're just 3 minutes in. Price should be moving much faster. Point of control right now. So in this whole consolidation area, we might have a nice range all over here. Flight price might want to come back into current point of control. Well, the profile is kind of extended. multiple low volume nodes with a big profile at the top, so it could be an indication price is gonna range for a while around this top area. Not really expecting price to come back here, but we'll see what happens. Price coming back into point of control again. Definitely an area of interest. Top and bottom range of the area is holding. Somewhat of high divergence here. Price kind of went up, but delta is pretty much pushing down. We have conflicting signals. This is somewhere where you might want to be a little patient. Nice push now. Some consolidation, some ranging around this area. So you can potentially get a retest of this pending auction or the top of the range. We also have a wick there. The market might want to retest here, some stops. We'll see what happens. About to take out the overnight high. Balance short with a pending auction. Nice little move to downside. Expecting 14,953.50 to be taken out, which is the overnight high. Retesting prior top of the range of the consolidation zone.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. We have
Target filled.
pending auction with an imbalance, pushing from that prior consolidation area, and it worked out pretty well. We also have overnight high as a target, so those are my key reasoning for taking the trade. We're also clearing all of the stops at this prior wick, which is exactly at the top of the range. We have 80 minutes left until the release at 10. Market to me is still looking long, although the very short-term trend was kind of to the downside, especially when looking at cumulative delta. And then for the past 5 minutes we've been trending to the upside again, which made me feel more comfortable taking that long position. It's pretty interesting to me how these reversal bars with a pending auction and an imbalance go for at least another 3 bars. Same here, another push down. So pretty much all of them would have worked. I wouldn't take them just as is. There has to be a key level or some other reasoning for that. Could be more of a confirmation rather than the setup itself. Lots of chop right now is around current point of control, and one deviation of VWAP. We're sitting at the top of the range of that prior consolidation zone. It's pushed to the downside right now. So buying happening here. Some of these guys were taking profits exactly at that swing level right there. Not coincidence. And we have to continue down, retesting prior imbalance long. Nice sell-off. 150 contracts almost sold that bar. A little bit skeptical of taking a short trade right now, even though kind of the overall trend in cumulative delta is towards the downside. Price starting to range around the 900 mark. Have a low volume note right there. Market bounced off of. Not really expecting price to push down, but we'll see what happens. Still looking for long positions. Want to trade in the overall direction of the trend. Looks like market might want to get back into current point of control. A nice little push here in cumulative delta.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. Although we have an imbalance short, there's a chance that we might continue higher I don't like the fact that point of control is shifted right where my entry is. That was kind of one of my targets. Have a couple imbalances short. Cumulative delta looking, pushing down. Some bars coming in right now. Very close to getting my target.
Target filled.
There we go. So same concept here. We had a break. Overall trend is to the upside. We have a rangy area where price starts to consolidate. We wait for price to break out of that area and wait for a potential retest, and then we take it long. In our case, we even had long bar with a pending auction pushing in our direction, and we're going for small scalps, so it worked out pretty well. Otherwise we would have gotten stopped out. Market is pushed back right now. Sellers are being pretty aggressive. We have very large imbalance zones. That being said, I think this is day 15th. That's been green. Been a very successful streak. Lots of winning days in a row. That's pretty unusual, to be honest. Let's keep it up and continue in this direction. For today, I think that's gonna be good enough. We have the release coming out at 8. Market is starting to really chop a little bit. Sorry, at 10 a.m. it's coming, the release, which is in 8 minutes. And like I was saying, it's starting to become very choppy. Not really liking how it's sticking. We pretty much got very lucky on this last trade. Market barely moved, and I think we're gonna wait until tomorrow, lock in some profits. With that being said, thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please feel free to subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts on this type of strategy. Also, we have a Discord channel. It's completely free, so feel free to connect with me. Other than that, like I said, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.